front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download this app from this developer. DevCheck device and system info from Flarto. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, open it, and thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, make sure to tap on all of those areas. Not only because you will get all the informations about the chosen one, but also because when you click on settings at the bottom right corner of each pop-up, you will get all of those informations and be transferred to displays in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!